Welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. Today we are going to see Chapter 6 Squares and Square Roots exercise 6.3 solutions for problem 5. We will start with problem 5 here. The remaining problems are in the previous video if you want to have a look on it. Now we start with the first problem. You have to obtain the smallest whole number that should be multiplied by this number 252 so that this will becomes a perfect square. Okay, and also we have to find out that square number also. We will start obtaining the that is using factorization method only. We have to find out the number. So use prime factors to get the answer 252. So 2 is again you have to use smallest, start with the smallest number. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 1 is there, 6 2s are 12. And here 2 you again use 2 because 6 is there, 6 2s are 12. And here we have 3 2s are 6. Okay, 6 here you have 6 2s are 12 and this number you have this 3 2s are 6. Again you have to use for this, you have to use 3 because ended with 3 no. So 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. Again you have to go for 3. Okay, 7 3s are 21 and here you have to use 1, 7 1s are 7. So we have to find out the smallest whole number. It should be multiplied so that we get a perfect square. Okay, perfect square number we have to get, because when you're taking 252, write down these numbers 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7, isn't it? Here you have 2 we have a pair, for 3 we have a pair, and for 7 we doesn't have a pair. Okay, so the prime factorization is not in pair 7, that is the pair 7 has no numbers. Okay, so we have to so 7 is the smallest whole number. So we conclude our answer 7 is the smallest whole number. Okay, 7 is the smallest whole number by which the given number is multiplied to get a perfect square. When you multiply this number by 7, then you can get a new square number. Okay, so you have to write new square number. Okay, new square number is equal to, new square number is equal to, you have to multiply this 252 by 7. Okay, 252 by 7. When you multiplying this number by 7 only, this becomes a perfect square. This number, resulting number becomes a perfect square, and we can find out the square root for this number also. Okay, so here you multiply this 7 2s are 14 and remaining you have 1. 5 7s are 35, 35 plus 1 is 36 and remaining you have a 3. 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3 is 17. 1764 is the new square number. So square root of 1764 we had to calculate, isn't it? What is square root of 1764? Already we have the pairs, isn't it? So here square root of this number we have already have this pairs. So from this you take one number, from 2 we have to take 1, and from this pair we have to take 1 3, and already 7 is multiplied here. So 1 7 you have to take it. So that's why this number 2 into 3 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So 42 is the square root of this new number. Okay, because so I'll repeat once again, this number we have to find out the prime factorization method. You have to factorize these numbers. After factorizing you have to make a combine two numbers, but here for 7 there is no pair. Okay, for 7 there is no pair. So our conclusion is, when you multiplying this by number 7, okay, when you multiplying this by 7, you can able to get a perfect square. So we have to multiply this number 252 by 7. So you get 1764. So you have to find out the square root of this 1764. This is our question also there. Okay, So which is equal to, when you're finding square root, we have to factorize. Already we have factorization for this, isn't it? So use that numbers. So 1, 2, here for these 3 we have 1, 3, and 7 is missing, no? That we multiplied only, we get this. So that 7 you have to take it. So 42 is our answer. Okay. And next we will do the next problem, second subdivision. What is our second subdivision? Here also we have to find out the lots of problems are there. 180. So use L division. Okay, use L division to factorize this. Then only you can know how to which number is multiplied to get a perfect square for this. Okay, use 2. 9 2s are 18, and here the 0 you have to write it. Again this goes with 2. 4 2s are 8. 1 is there. 5 2s are 10. Okay, and then here 45 is there, no? So you have to use 3. Okay, smallest number. 1 3s are 3, and here 1 is there. So 5 3s are 15. Okay, and here you have to use 5. 5 3s are 15. Okay, so we have to write 180 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. I'll write these 3 terms together. Then only you have to make a compare, that is you want to make a pair, it will be easy. Okay, so these two we have these two numbers, and 5 don't have a pair, isn't it? So the smallest, that is 5 is the smallest whole number. Okay, 5 is the smallest whole number. You have to multiply with the given number to make a perfect square, that you have to write it. Okay, 5 is the smallest whole number which is multiplied to the given number to make the whole numbers, the perfect square. Okay, so the perfect square is equal to, so the new perfect square number is equal to 180 is multiplied by this 5. Okay, 180 is multiplied by this 5. So you have a 0, 5 8s are 40, 0, 4 is there, for 1 5 is a 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. So 900 is the new perfect square number. 9 number is the new perfect square number, and you have to find out the square root of this 900 also. So square root of 9, if you want you write once again, nothing wrong in this. Okay, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into, we already multiplied this 5 with one more 5. No, that also you can write it here. This way also you can write it. Okay, so after that you have to combine these numbers. So 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. So the 30 is your square root of this 900. Okay, and we will pass on to the next problem. What is our next subdivision? We have number of subdivisions here, no? So we pass on to the next subdivision 3. Subdivision 3. What is the question? 1008. 1008. Use L division 1008. Okay, so you have to use 2 here. 5 2s are 10. 0 you in this 0 you have to write as it is, and 4 2s are 8. And again use 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Again use 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Okay, again use 2. 6 2s are 12. And here you have to, this 12 is there now, so you have no need to put 0. Okay, so here this 12 is ended with here, and directly we pass on to this number. So 3 2s are 6. Okay, and 3 2s are 6, and 1 3s are 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6, and 1 3s are 3 2s are 6. Hurry. Sorry. This not goes with 2, isn't it? So sorry. So this is not goes with 2. So we start with 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 3s are 3. And again 21. 21 goes with 7. 3. 7 3s are 21, and 7 1s are 7. Okay. So we have to write 1008 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 4 2s, we have to write it here, and 2 3s into 1 7. So here you make this combine two numbers, and here 1 7 is missing. Okay, 1 7 is missing. So 7 is the smallest whole number. Okay, so 7 is the smallest whole number that should be multiplied. Okay, that should be multiplied in the given number to make a perfect square. Given number to make a perfect square. So that is, you have to write this. So the perfect square, new square number, or you can write the new square number is equal to 1008 into this 7. Okay, 1008 into this 7. 7 8s are 56 you have to write, and this 0 sorry, this 0 into 7 you have a 0, and 1 7s are 7. So 7056 is your required whole perfect square number. We had to find out the square root of 7056, isn't it? So 7056 is square root of this one. Just you write this, and then you have to multiply 1 7 also here. Okay. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, 3 into 3 into 7, and that is multiplied by this 7 also now. If you want, you write this step, otherwise you just write this step alone. That is enough. Okay, so 2 times, 3 times, and here you have a 7. For this 7 you have 1. And if you want, you write this, otherwise you from this you just write 1 1 2 1 2, and this step you have to write 1 and this 1, and for this 7 you already multiply now, so you write this 7 here to make a perfect, that is square root, to find the square root of this number. So when you multiply into 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 7 is 84. So square root of 7056 is 84. Okay, and now we pass on to the next problem. What is our next subdivision? Fourth subdivision we have to do it. What is our fourth subdivision? 2028. Fourth subdivision is 2028. Again use the L division. 2028. 2 we have to write. 1 2s are 2, 0, 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Again use 2 here. 5 2s are 10. And here for this one is not goes with 2, so put 0, and 1 in 14 is there. 7 2s are 14. Again you go use 2, 2 2s are 4, and here your 1 is there. 5 2s are 10, and this is not goes with 2, no, sorry, here 7 is there, no, so it is not goes with 2. 7 is there, so it is not goes with 2. So here we have 507, isn't it? 507 we start with 3. Okay, so 3, 1 3s are 3, and remaining you have 2 is no, so 20, 6 3s are 18, and remaining you have a 2, 9 3s are 27. So this is not goes with 2. Okay, so whenever odd number is there, not goes with 2, and you go for the next number 3. That this is the way you have to check it. Okay, and the next 3. Here 169 is there. 169, you know that 13 into 13 is 169. This is also a prime number. Okay, 13 is a prime number. So 13 into 13 you have 169, and 13 ones are 13. So you have 2028 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 13. So here this 2, you can combine these two and these two, but here 3 is not missing. 1 3 is not missing. So 3 is the smallest whole number. You have to write this. 3 is the smallest whole number. Okay, 3 is the smallest whole number. That is the result we need. And next we have to write the new square number. We have to write it, isn't it? So new perfect square number. New perfect square number is equal to, you have to multiply this with 1 3. Okay, so 2028 is multiplied by 3, which is equal to, here you have 8 3s are 24, remaining 2, and 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and here you have a 3 into 0 is 0, and 2 into 3 is 6. 6 0 84. Okay, so 6084 is the new square number. So we have to find out the square root of 6084. So we have, for this pair you have 1 2, and this pair you have 113, and 3 is this 3 into 3 is multiplied, you have 1 3 now. So we have to write this, and here we have 2 into 13 is 26. 26 into 3 you have 78. 26 into 3 you have 78. So 78 is the square root of 6084. Okay, 78 is the square root of 6084. Now we pass on to the next subdivision. What is our next subdivision? Just a second. Next subdivision is 1 4, fifth subdivision we are doing. 1 4 5 8. Next subdivision is 1 4 5 8. So you have to, as usual, you have to use L division. 1 4 5 8 L division, you have to use it. This is ended with 8, so use 2. 7 2s are 14, and here you have 2 2s are 4, and 1 is there. 9 2s are 18. So 7 2 9 is there. 9 is there now, so it not goes with 2. So we check with 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6, and remaining you have 1. 4 3s are 12, and 3 3s are 9. Again, this is ended with 3, so we use the third table. So here we have 8 3s are 24, and 1 3s are 3. Okay, and again you have to, next prime number you have to go for 3. Okay, so 3 number, 2 3s are 6, remaining you have 2. 7 3s are 21. Okay, next 27. 27 you have to go for 3. 9 3s are 27, and 3 3s are 9, and 1 3s are 3. Okay, so 1 4 5 8 you have to write it as 2 into how many 3s you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 3s. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 6 times, and you have to combine these numbers. Okay, so here 2 is not, doesn't have a pair. Okay, 2 doesn't have a pair, so you have to write 2 is the smallest whole number. 2 is the smallest whole number we have to write. So when you multiply this number, this given problem with 2, then it will become the perfect square. Okay, so new square number is equal to, new square number is equal to this 1458 is 1458 is multiplied by 2. Okay, so we have 8 2s are 16, and remaining you have 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11, and here you have 1. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9, and then 1 2s are 2. So 2916 is the required new square number. So this number, for this number you have to find out a square root. Square root of 2916 is equal to, for this 3 you have to write 1 3, and this 3 you have to write 1 3, and for this 3 you have to write 1 3, and here for this 2 again you multiply this by 2. No, for so we get 2 2's are there, so 1 2 you have to write it. So the number is 3 into 3 9. 9 is 18. 18 into 3 is 54. 3 3s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 18 into 3 is 54. So square root of 2916 is equal to 54. So this is the way we have to conclude our answer. And next subdivision, sixth subdivision, we have to use it. What is your sixth subdivision? Sixth subdivision is 7 6 8. 7 6 8. Again you have to go for L division. 7 6 8. Again even number is there, no? So use 2. 2 is the smallest prime number that you have to use. 3 2s are 6, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16, and 4 2s are 8. Again you have to use 2. 1 2s are 2, and 1 is there. 9 2s are 18. 2 2s are 4. Again use 2. Here 9 2s are 18, and 6 2s are 12. Okay, 9 2s are 18, 6 2s are 12. Again you have to use 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. and here 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. Again you have to use 2. 1 twos are 2, 2 twos are 4. Again you have to use 2. 6 twos are 12. Again you have to use 2. 3 twos are 6. Okay. Again you have to use 3 here. 3 into 1 is 3. So 7, 6, 8. You have to write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 twos are there into this 3. So here we have to combine 2 twos. Okay. We have to combine all the twos and 3 is missing. 3 is missing. So we have to conclude our answer. 3 is the smallest whole number. 3 is the smallest whole number. When you multiplied this answer, this problem 768 by this 3, you get a perfect square. Okay. So new perfect square, new square number. How will you obtain new square number? That is our problem, isn't it? So we have to multiply the 768 by 3. Okay. When you multiply 768 by 3, you get the numbers 8 3s are 24. Here you have 2. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. And remaining you have 2. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. So 2304 is the new square. So we have to find out the square root of 2304, which is equal to, for this 2 you have to write 1 2, and for this pair you have to write 1 2, and this pair you have to write 1 2, and this pair you have to write 1 2, and this 3 is missing, but here we have multiplied this by 3 only, we get this. So we have to write 2 3s are there here, and you have to multiply this by 3. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3 is equal to 48. So 48 is the square root of 2304. This is the answer for this problem. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, please provide in the comment section. We will complete the next problem in the next video. Thank you.